There's definitely some rot in the middle of that tree. There's no denying that. Whether it's dangerous or not is definitely a different matter. It's taken him quite a lot of effort to cut around that. Looks like about 6 inches of good wood around an area inside. Hello again.
Hello.
I'm not live streaming. I can't do it today for some reason, but I am recording.
Right.
I've just been talking to the liaison officers again, and STAG people want to talk about trees on a case-by-case basis.
Right.
And the council are refusing to do that. This tree here is an example where possibly there would have been no protest if clear evidence had been given to us to show the extent of the rot inside there. You know, the police resources that have been committed to this could have been used elsewhere if there'd have been a bit more dialogue.
Right.
Personally, I believe that this was done deliberately to try and show the protesters in a bad light, not giving them enough information, hoping they'd go and do something embarrassing, and then it'll probably happen anyway. In the Sheffield Star, there'll be a picture of that tree with a hollow middle, and there'll be a headline saying "Protesters protesting on a damaged tree, a diseased tree." How do you feel about the police being drawn into using resources pointlessly?
What does the hole at the base actually indicate?
It's hollow.
Right. What does that indicate?
Well, it means that there's not as much wood there to support the tree as the...
Right.
But I mean, the major oak is hollow.
Yeah.
And it's not dangerous.
Right.
I mean, I understand well, it's rotting by the looks of it. I'm not a tree expert.
Yeah.
But what they've probably done is done an ultrasound on that tree, and they knew it was hollow. Now, if they'd have shown us that information, you wouldn't have had this protest on your hands.
Right.
And, you know, there could have been arrests and things here. You know, people getting heated. I mean, it is quite an emotive subject, a memorial tree. But can you see how it could have been handled better?
I can't really comment. It's really something for Sheffield City Council.
Yeah, but I'm feeding it back to you because you're involved in the policing of this.
Okay.
And your resources, I think, have been manipulated and used.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
To make win a political point.
Excuse me.